From the Kinsley store, nice plastic bag, popular brown. Comes in a nice carrying bag, a cushion, support for wheelchairs, seats, and more. As we unpack it, show you what it looks like. It's a nice size, forms to the back, and you place it on the back of a chair. It's fabric in black, gray, has a zipper that unzippers to show you the memory foam inside. You could wash the fabric if need be. And we're going to show you what it looks like in a number of chairs. Simply place on your chair like so. Sit and adjust. You have a kitchen chair, hardwood chair. Simply place on the back. It's portable for a car. For a back seat of a car. From restaurants, airport seats, even a lounge chair in the backyard. If you're looking for a portable cushion support chair backing, this is something that you may be looking for in your comfort needs. It's easily foldable by just rolling, placing back in the bag, and when you need to pop it out, wherever you need support, this cushion backing may be something that you are after. Check online for further details about your product. Thank you for viewing.